there's been times where, you know, you just hear something you can't explain. I don't know, it just gets your anxiety all worked up. Hi. Hey there. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Larry if you're new. I felt extra motivated this morning and just got up early, and I have been cruising these back roads here in the mountains just south of Flagstaff. We're a little over 7,000 feet, and I've just never been back here this far, and it's just a beautiful area. Very little cell phone service. I do have one bar of service in case I guess I need to text out for an emergency, but other than that, it's going to be pretty well disconnected this weekend. And yeah, this forest, I guess, was like a burned area of the forest at one point. It looks like it must have been years ago. It looks pretty well grown back now, except for a lot of the trees are just burnt. But other than that, still just a beautiful area out here. Sun's getting ready to go down, so I say we go ahead and just get camp set up and then get our fire started here soon so we can get dinner going. All right, and I got the dogs all set up. There's Mason boy. How you doing, bud? And there's Marty, gotta be the center of attention. Yeah. I'm so glad we got here before dark. It's like the worst thing to get to a camp spot after dark. At least in my opinion. I just can't see hardly at night, so just makes it more difficult. Get the propane turned on. Getting dark pretty quick. Gotta hurry up and get a fire made. The temperature here in the desert, well, this is like high desert. Temperature is gonna drop as soon as that sun goes down. And it's gonna get pretty cold tonight. I think mid 40s, I think, tonight. We're gonna cook dinner on this little portable stove again. If I can remember how it went together. There we go. Oh, that's dirty. I gotta wipe that off. Alright, I've always used charcoal for this, but it never seems to get it hot enough. And I did not have time to get some scrap wood or anything, so I just got this box of like hickory chunks, which I know is meant to like barbecue on to have a hickory flavor, but we're just going to use it as hardwood chunks to throw in there. So what I'm going to do is throw these chunks in the fire until they get lit up pretty well, and then I'll take these tongs right here and I'll take them out of the fire and drop them into that, and then hopefully that'll get it hot enough. Let's throw a couple of these down in the fire. There we go. All right. There we go. All right, we're gonna be doing a cowboy ribeye steak. Never had one of these before. I probably should have set it out a little bit earlier, but we're gonna give the cast iron a little bit of time to heat up. So I'm just gonna go put this on that little stove right now. We'll get that really hot. This is working great, I think. But I mean, we'll see what happens cooking a steak. We'll just start by searing it. I think it's looking good, but gotta get it seared on the sides a little bit. I should have did that earlier, but it's all good. We'll get some crust on the edges. Got a couple of cool spots. It's 126. I threw an oak log in there earlier, and it is just not burning. I actually was going to make a vegetable, but totally spaced it. So I did not even bring a vegetable. That's all right though. I've been on the carnivore diet here in the last 2 months, and I'm I'm gonna set this over here so it doesn't fall down. But it's been doing. I've been doing really good on it, but I think I need to go back to getting some vegetables. So I think I'm just gonna kind of go back to doing keto. So some vegetables, but still, a lot of protein. Probably just a stick though. Like a branch falling out of a tree or something. There's been times where I'm out here, or not out here, but in the woods, and you just hear something you can't explain, and I don't know, it just gets your anxiety all worked up. It's starting to get cold. I had to switch into my sweatshirt. Fire feels good though. I catch myself just sitting here listening. Like part of me just wants it to be a cow or a coyote or something. Like I just want to see something that I could know that it was it, just so I can just drop it. Like I'm trying to sit up. The dogs are fighting. Everybody. Hi. Good morning. Slept pretty good. I think I slept like 9 hours. Got a little cold, but it was nice. Give me some coffee brewed up this morning before we get breakfast going. So little Marty's been doing pretty good. He's now able to sleep outside of his kennel. He doesn't pee on the bed. Yeah, he's been doing really good, and he sleeps all night. In fact, I have to get him out of bed in the morning. He normally doesn't. He like hides under the blankets, doesn't want to get out. Nope, I don't want kisses. Nope, not like that. Not on the lips. Because you eat poop and stuff, dude. No, I don't want that. He's a good pup. He's been settling down a little bit, and him and Mason are doing really good together. They still get cranky sometimes, and it's just because Mason's just always been like that with other dogs. I kind of joke and say he's like the fun police. So he just kind of like, somebody's having fun around him. He doesn't like that, you know. He just wants to chill and relax. Oh, you want to look out the window? You guys playing? Mason says, I'm not playing. I'm serious. Huh. Wow. Make some sort of like breakfast scramble again. I've noticed it really does help out cutting bacon into smaller pieces like this. It just doesn't seem to splatter so much. Plus, of course, cooking on a lower temperature.
Chance traded the city for a camping dance under the stars where the firelight glows. In nature's embrace, the peacefulness flows. Work less, enjoy life more. Larry, Mason, and Marty explore in the great outdoors, finding their peace. Every day is a journey, worry cease. Work less, enjoy life more.